Scan natin. Sino to? Madami. Animation. Number 7. Aloha guys, my name is Leo the Third, or you can call me Tres, Char. This channel is all about Funko Pops, sharing my collections, what gear I have, reviews, unboxing, photography and videography, and pretty much it. So, tune in this page. So I'm back. Continue natin yung pag-scan. So, scan natin. Sino to? Madara Reanimation number 772. Ayan o, kita nyo, wala. So, natin. Funko. Then search. $36. Madara Animation. So we got here Sarada Uchiha Sarada Pop Animation Naruto 670. Trending value is $12. Another one, Bean Smoke Sanji. Trending value is $12. Add natin siya. And I got Monkey D. Luffy. Monkey D. Luffy. Pop Animation number 98. One piece. Scan natin. $19. $19. I got Naruto Pop Animation 71. Yan. PPG at $14 as of November. Monkey Taro. Luffy Taro pala, Monkey. Ito collection. So, Hindi natin ma-scan, may price. Search natin One Piece. $9.21. Lupitaro. Meron na ako. Why? Meron na ako. Meron ako na miss. Next one, Usopp. Pop Animation 401, Usopp. So, 27. Nice. Kahit may sticker siya, nice scan. So, trending value is $27, guys. So, scan, talk more. Medyo kakaiba yung ano niya. Yung bottom niya. Iba. So we got Boa Hancock. Hancock or Hancock? Basta Hancock. Boa. Pop Animation 330 Boa. Hancock. Yan. Magkano yung PPG niya? $25 trending value. So meron tayong Bonkichi. Price niya $12 trending value. Add collection. Doflamingo. Yan, Doflamingo. Yan, Don Quixote raw. Don Quixote. O Don Quixote Flamingo. So, meron, inais ka na pala ako. Meron ako nitong dalawa. Isa na sa office, isa nandito. Crocodile. Ito si Crocky. Pop Animation 925. So trending value $10. We got Trafalgar Law with AAA exclusive. Trafalgar Law. So we got 16. Yung glow in the dark niya, yung chase, $90. So wala tayo nun. Expensive. $16. Yan, yun lang mga collection namin. I got Pain. Oh, baliktad. One of my favorite character in Naruto, Shippuden. Pop Animation number 934. Scan natin. Mabilis lang. May lakad kami. $10 lang siya. Pero I'm not sure if the glow in the dark. Pag-uwi namin ng Philippines, baka bumili kami. Mura yata dun. Then I got another law.